Today we've brought the STEM bus here from the Alabama Institute for the Deaf and Blind in partnership with Beginnings, South Carolina. So today we are doing cybersecurity training where we are taking apart PCs and putting them back together. They're going to learn cipher rings and encryption. They're also going to be working with building some different electrical circuits with lights and fans. And then in the afternoon, we're going to do drones as an activity. So we have a team here with us today that are successful in their related fields of robotics and engineering. And for them to be able to see that is very critical. We have to show people that deaf can do anything. So for them to be able to see the success of deaf adults impacts them in their dreams of what they plan for their futures and may motivate them to go into one of these fields.
We really enjoyed all the work that we did. It looks cool, but it was a lot. It was a lot different than what I thought it was gonna look like. The computers that I have at home are different. I really enjoyed it. I was really, I like learning new things, so I was excited.
Our programming at Beginnings is helping kids find belonging. And when you have a kid maybe who's been interested in computers and has wondered what's inside, but again, hasn't been able to have conversations with people about what is a hard drive? Why is it called a hard drive? You can watch them be inspired. That's what I like. Hashtag Team 1 1 Team.